coming up. We'll cut away and let you watch and be back when Ariane has cleared the tower.
Attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage EAP, décollage. Tous les paramètres à bord sont lumineux.
Well, a beautiful liftoff as Ariane 5 began her mission, rising into the night sky off of French Guiana, a trail of fire against the night sky. Right on time, 2020 local, carrying her passenger Intelsat 29. Confirmation of the fairing separation. You see what that looks like. There are two halves, actually. There's another half on the right part of the screen. Separation is given by two. The main stage falls back into the Atlantic. You can see what that looks like off the coast of Africa. Up in space, all is well on board Ariane.
Global Leaks has launched a new channel, Police Center, your source for police-related news.
We live in a lively world. This is Global Leaks.